Welcome to the Modern Professional Polishers Academy, where we answer daily questions, give you tips and tricks, and motivation to help you navigate the world of paint correction. What's going on, guys? This is Smitty with the Pro Polishers Academy, where we help paint correctors like you turn your systems into consistency by moving you through the learning curves faster, utilizing formulas that work without fail. I'm Smitty, and I'll be your lead instructor. Let's get into it. So today we're going to cover why you should get into paint correction. Meeting good people. So this past weekend we had the opportunity to go to Raleigh for the annual Good Guys car show hosted by Griots Garage, and I set up and hung out with Griots to help them sell products and hopefully meet some new aspiring detailers and paint correctors, and hopefully some who are already established, and we did just that. This is a 3-day event, and Friday was really good. The weather was nice. It was a good crowd. So Saturday ended up getting rained out, and we came back Sunday for an even nicer crowd, guys. The weather was amazing. So check out this footage. We're gonna get started with my guy, Jason Matthews from Griots Garage. He's a national event manager, and I just want to take you through the day. And this is who I got started with a few years ago, and he's the one that introduced me to the rest of the crew, and it's been great ever since. Check it out. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Smitty with the Pro Polishers Academy. I'm out here this weekend with Griots Garage at the Good Guys show in Raleigh, and we're selling products, helping customers understand the art of paint correction and detailing in general. It's my guy Jason Matthews. What's up, man? How you doing, brother? I'm good, man. Met this guy back in 2017 when I started the business, and he brought me in under the umbrella, guys. So we're here this weekend. We're gonna go through, check out the new machines and this hybrid machine, and talk to some customers. Hey, man, how long have you been working with Griots?
27 years. Wow, Griots Garage, long time.
And you started out of high school, right?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Wow. So, guys,
A little older than that, but I had a few jobs before. I just turned 50 last summer. So.
Wow, man. I thought you were like 32. That's younger than me.
So I appreciate it.
This is my guy. This is a really good company to work for, and this guy is a testimony to how long he can stay active with this company and really see growth. So he started off in the beginning, and now he's the event manager. So this is my guy. We're gonna go through, talk with some customers, and check out some products.
One of the things I appreciate about you, Smitty, is your focus on education.
Thanks, man.
That's been real big with us. I mean, if you know Griots Garage, you know that we're big on education. I see that in you. I see that in everything you're doing with Pro Polisher Academy. So I'm excited to work with you, man.
I appreciate it, man. Anything I can do to help you guys, I'm always working. Thanks, man.
Looking forward to it. Let's have fun.
Yes, sir. So as you can see, guys, there was a good amount of foot traffic. My guy Jason, really good guy, always full of energy. Sometimes I don't know how he bounces around all over the place and is able to keep his schedule, keep everybody in the loop. This guy is a beast at what he does, and he's been with the company, like he said, for a long time now, and I see why. He's very consistent, and he is always on top of his game. Next up, I wanted to introduce you guys to Khled, a local detailer in Angier, right outside of Raleigh. And he came in the booth just checking out the scene. He had his wife with him, and I had a few questions for him and wanted to know if he had any questions about the products. And we ended up talking for about 30 to 45 minutes about his business and how he's looking to expand, and talking about just the amount of investments that he's made in himself and in his business. And we talked pricing. It was an amazing conversation, guys. Check it out. This is Khled. All right, so what's your name, brother?
Kali.
Khled, all right, good to meet you, man. So you got a detail shop in Angier. What products do you currently use, and how long have you been doing this for?
Currently, I use Majestic Solutions primarily.
Okay.
I've probably been doing detailing maybe 8 years.
Okay.
Paint correcting maybe 4.
Okay.
You know, I really got heavy into it a couple years ago, and ceramic coatings, all that stuff.
Yeah.
I like trying new stuff, but right now it's just Majestic, just because that's what's available.
Just because it's
a lot,
Awesome, man. Well, I'm glad you're out here and checking out the booth, man, and more power to you. Hopefully you can grow and expand your team. I'm in quest for doing that myself as well, man. I just want to get you on the camera because we don't see many people who already do paint correction. So good to hear like-minded people.
It's a rare trade, honestly.
Yeah, absolutely.
Especially for people that really do it professionally.
Absolutely,
you know?
man. Absolutely. Well, look, good meeting you, brother.
Thank you.
And much success to you.
Thank you.
Khled was a really cool guy. I'm hoping the best for his business. He was very humble, and I know that humility would take you a long way. So I know we'll brush shoulders in the future, especially with him being right up the road. So last up, I ran into Cameron Johnson from Johnson's Detailing. He was hanging around the booth with Rod Kraft, who's the East Coast manager for Griots Garage, and he called me over just so we could have a detailer's talk about wet sanding a new vehicle's paint. And we all had like minds in regards to what we would do with a new vehicle that might have had some orange peel. We'd send it down the road. But guys, I had to get this dude on camera. Really humble guy. He's been in the game for 20 years plus. His business has seen exponential growth, and he still is able to keep a level head. So I told him I had to get him on camera because the world needed to see guys like him, because it's not always about the excessive, extravagant detail work. It's always about the humility. So check this guy out.
We're on the back of the truck right now. I got my guy Cameron Johnson with Johnson's Detailing. Just met this dude, and I feel like I've known him for a long time now. And he's a brand ambassador for Mothers. And how long you been doing it, man?
Mothers brand ambassador for 4 years and detailing for 21.
Okay. Yeah, and he's got mobile rigs. He's doing paint correction, and we're just talking about how basically important it is to chase your dreams, chase your passion, and things are going to line up. But you also got to have the vision for what you want in order for it to fall in place. So
Yes.
yeah, man. So what do you get the most out of when you come to Good Guys Show? Is it the sales or is it the people?
I love the cars.
Yeah.
First of all, the cars get me excited.
Yeah.
The people, we bring some pretty cool cars ourselves, and it's the excitement of the people about the cars that we bring.
Yeah.
People have loved the imports, the Z cars.
Oh yeah.
A little different flavor than the domestic hot rods.
Right.
But big branded, Griots, Mothers here in the past, McGuire's. Man, just to be outside. Thankful to be at a car show.
Absolutely, man. Doing what we want to do, detailing.
Yeah.
You know? Hey, man. Good to meet you, brother. Looking forward to knowing you for a little bit longer than just today. Absolutely,
I think we
man.
just started.
Yeah, man. Absolutely. So go look him up. I'm going to put his link in the description, guys. It's a good dude.
So there you have it, guys. That's the recap from the 2023 Good Guys event in Raleigh, North Carolina. Had a blast. Can't wait for the next one to come in. Look, if you are looking for any reason to get into paint correction, let this be one of the main ones. You're gonna have good people in there who are willing to guide you along, help you along the way. It's not just myself, there are others out there, but you're not gonna find everybody on the internet. You're gonna find them in the streets, at the local events, at the car shows. And these are the guys that can help you along in your career in detailing and paint correction. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. The paint is waiting on you. Peace. Hey guys, real quick, I want to tell you about our business transition program, where we take anybody who's looking to get into paint correction, whether you're already doing general detailing or you're ready to transition from your white collar, blue collar, military, school career, whatever the case might be. We're going to transition you into paint correction. If you're looking to go from a little bit of detailing experience into full-blown paint correction or zero experience at all, I'm going to show you how to go from a little bit of money to a lot of bit of money. We'll show you how to go from 0 to 5 figures or 0 to 6 figures, whatever it is that you're looking to do, I can show you how to do it. But it's not just teaching you how to run a machine. Anybody can run a machine, and a lot of us grew up in a garage. That's not the holdup. The holdup is knowing the business part, knowing how to set up a website, how to talk with your customers, knowing the verbiage of the industry that you're in. You have to know these things in order to succeed and grow and scale something that's going to have a foundation that'll be around forever. How to build a brand, how to get the corporation or the LLC, how to offer financing to your customers. All of this stuff that's taken me years to figure out, we're going to offer it to you. So we have a tier 1 and a tier 2 program, guys, and tier 1 is including in-house training. If you want to come in for a week, you can come in for a week. I'll put my stamp of approval on you. Or if you want to go tier 2 and just stay online, that's cool too. It's a lifetime experience. I'm very excited to finally be able to offer this. You'll be, like I always say, getting around those learning curves fast, super fast in this case, because it's taken me, again, years to get here, guys. And just being able to offer financing changes the game for somebody who's either been in business for some time or looking to get into this business. Guys, if you're ready to go to the next level, this is only for the serious people now, hit that link below, check out the free masterclass on the business transition program. We'll see you next time. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.